Welcome to EQAI Morning Briefing for August 22nd, where we break down the latest financial news and trends to keep you informed and ready for the day ahead. Let's dive into some pressing stories that could impact your finances and investments. First up, if you accidentally overfunded your IRA last year, don't panic just yet. The key is to act quickly. While there might be some consequences, such as penalties or excess contributions needing correction, addressing the issue promptly can minimize the damage. So, if you find yourself in this situation, check your contributions and consult with a financial advisor to rectify it. Switching gears, analysts at Barclays are highlighting an intriguing stance on the US dollar. The market is currently maximally bearish on the dollar, which suggests that while it may face some pressure, an extended decline is unlikely due to structural support. This could be a crucial insight for investors looking to navigate the currency market. Now let's talk about Nvidia. As the tech giant prepares to release its earnings report, there's speculation about potential delays in their new Blackwell chip lineup. However, immediate concerns are surrounding supply constraints for the existing Hopper line. Keep an eye on this, as Nvidia's performance can significantly influence tech stocks. In stock market news, Jim Cramer pointed out 10 essential things to watch this Thursday, including Citi's endorsement of Nvidia ahead of its earnings and Disney's succession planning under James Gorman. Speaking of Disney, the company is actively seeking Bob Iger's successor, making this an exciting time for investors in the entertainment sector. On the retirement front, investment researchers have identified 3 major mistakes that could derail your 401k. Contributing to a workplace retirement account can significantly enhance your retirement prospects, but it's crucial to avoid costly errors. Be sure to review your contributions and investment choices carefully. In macroeconomic news, the U.S. Treasury seems to be at odds with the Federal Reserve's efforts to combat inflation. The Treasury's debt issuance has offset the Fed's interest rate hikes in 2023, raising questions about the effectiveness of monetary policy in controlling inflation. Also, we're seeing some fluctuation in the job market. Jobless claims have risen slightly, yet layoffs remain low, indicating a cooling labor market that isn't as dire as it may seem. Meanwhile, the unemployment rate spike is unique, with analysts suggesting that the economic landscape might not be as bleak as perceived. Let's not overlook the retail sector. Urban Outfitters and BJ's both reported earnings that fell short of expectations, prompting stock declines. On the flip side, Peloton has ended its streak of revenue declines, which sent its stock soaring. Retail earnings are a mixed bag, reflecting consumer sentiment and spending habits. In energy news, oil prices have steadied after a recent slide to 7-month lows as traders evaluate the demand outlook. With revised U.S. jobs data stirring concerns about crude demand, this is a space to watch closely. On the tech front, Snowflake reported a data breach but assured investors that its core business remains unaffected. The company's focus on AI products is generating interest, despite its stock dropping after an earnings beat. Lastly, let's touch on the housing market. Reports indicate that homes are most overvalued in specific metro areas, but signs of a correction may be emerging, giving potential home buyers a glimmer of hope. That wraps up today's EQAI Morning Briefing. Stay informed and make sure to tune in for our next update, where we'll continue to dissect the ever-evolving financial landscape. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances effectively. Thanks for listening.